All right, guys, we got a 2015 Chevy Suburban, all decked out. Really nice, black on black, black badging, everything. All right, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it came and it had true duals on it, but it was all messed up. So we cut it all off and ran new exhaust for him. There's the cats right there, one there, one there. Then we crossed it over and ran 2 1/4 tailpipes, true dual, as you guys can see there. And then he had his own mufflers. I think they're 40 series or Super 40s. I'm not sure. There's no number on them. But he had them all wedged in and everything. We took that out, cleaned it up for him. And then we turned it down just right there, right before the rear end. Oh, here's the number. Their part number is 42541 on the Flowmasters. And then we added turn downs at the end, right before the rear end, just to clean it up, make it look good for him. There it is. All nice, done, clean. All right. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And as you guys can see, you can't see anything under the car when it's on the ground. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, 2019 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter. This is what it sounds like after with Flowmaster and True Dual dumped 40s. It's clean. Much better. Squat down for you guys. Again. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 90. Wow, amazing how quiet they are. Those mufflers make it really quiet. Again. Right at 90. Surprising how quiet it is. I'm surprised. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. '19 Suburban with true duals dumped into Flowmaster 40s. That sounds really nice. It's clean for a family vehicle. Don't you guys agree? If he wanted a little bit louder, he could have went with the Super 10s, but he said he's got family, so he can't have it too loud, which I don't blame him.